Welcome to my channel Mini World Cartoon.
Come along and sing with me. Learn your ABCs happily. Every letter has a friend. Let's begin and count to 10. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces neat. C is for cat that likes to play. D is for doll that runs all day. Letters all around us shine, making words that sound so fine. Sing along and you will see how much fun your ABCs can be. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for flower in the sunny ray. G is for garden where plants all grow. H is for house where families go. Letters all around us shine, making words that sound so fine. Sing along and you will see how much fun your ABCs can be. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jumping once or twice. K is for kitten, soft and small. L is for love that's best of all. M is for mama's gentle care. N is for nest up in the air. O is for orange, round and bright. P is for puppy, playing light. Q is for queen with royal crown. R is for rainbow coming down. Letters all around us shine, making words that sound so fine. Sing along and you will see how much fun your ABCs can be. S is for sun that warms the day. T is for toys we used to play. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for vegetables in the plains. W is for water, clear and blue. X is for xylophone, me and you. Y is for yellow like the sun. Z is for zebra, now we're done. Letters all around us shine, making words that sound so fine. Now we've learned our ABC, singing brings such harmony. 26 letters we have sung, learning is always so much fun. From A to C we've made our way. Let's see our ABCs every day.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.